Let's talk about something that happens on your sales floor every single day. You know that one moment where a deal is either won or lost? It's usually based on a single question from a customer. It's that moment you either build unshakable trust or you create doubt. Today, we're going to break down how you can turn every single one of those moments into a win. So just imagine for a second. Think about your best closer, the guy with 20 years of experience who knows every bike, every spec, every story. What if you could clone that person's brain and put it in the palm of every single salesperson on your team? Not just your seasoned pros, but the brand new guy too, so they could handle any question with total authority in seconds. Well, that's not some far-off idea anymore. It's here. Okay, here's the scene. A customer's looking at a classic bike, and they hit your salesperson with a really specific question about its history. This is that make or break moment. If your salesperson hesitates, if they're not sure, that credibility is gone, and the sale? It's probably gone too. But the right answer, delivered with confidence, that doesn't just answer the question, it closes the deal. The whole game is about information and speed. Now, let's rewind. Let's run that exact same scene back, but this time we're going to change one very important thing. This time, your salesperson has Echelon. With Echelon, there's no more, let me check. No more awkward silence while they run to ask a manager. It's instant. They have everything they need right there to sound like an absolute expert. This completely changes the customer's experience. It builds immediate trust and keeps that sales momentum rolling forward. And look, this is way deeper than just spitting out specs. Echelon gives them the story. It gives your team the context, the historical significance of that Evo engine, the iconic features, all the little details that let them connect with a real enthusiast on their level. It turns a salesperson from just a person taking an order into a trusted advisor. You know, psychology has proven that people connect through stories and analogies, not just data sheets. That's why Echelon provides these powerful comparisons. It helps your team make the product feel real, relatable. It turns what could be a high-pressure pitch into a genuine conversation. And that is how you build a relationship that brings customers back. So, selling your unit, that's only half the battle, right? The real place where you make or lose your profit margin is the trade-in. And this, right here, is where Echelon delivers a massive, measurable advantage. Echelon takes all of the guesswork, all of the high-stakes pressure out of the trade-in process. It's a dead simple 4-step workflow. You snap a picture, you get the value from multiple sources. You scan for safety recalls, and then, this is the real magic, you get an AI-coached pitch that tells you exactly how to frame the offer. You are armed to make the most profitable, most defensible deals every single time.
With Echelon, you get the full picture. You're seeing valuation data from the biggest, most trusted names in the industry all in one place. This isn't just about giving your team confidence. It gives you a rock-solid, defensible position to make the best possible offer for your dealership.
And that recall scan? It is an incredibly powerful tool. I mean, first, you're protecting your customer by flagging a potential safety issue. But from a business perspective, it gives you a completely transparent, totally ethical reason to devalue that trade-in. And at the same time, it creates a brand new opportunity for your service department. It's a true win-win.
So I know what you might be thinking. A system this good, what's to stop a competitor from just building the same thing? Well, let's talk about our secret sauce, what we call our uncopyable moat. Hey, don't just take my word for it. We had Google's most advanced AI analyze our entire system, and it came to a really clear conclusion. It said Echelon's real power isn't just the code. It's the strategic thinking behind it all. It's the way we've designed the workflow to think like a master closer. See, that workflow, that's our intellectual property. It's the product of decades of real-world experience in dealerships, in high-stakes negotiation. It's a proven system that gets the nuances of a deal, from building rapport all the way to closing the trade. And that is something you just can't copy and paste overnight.
Echelon is just built different from all the generic AI out there. Most of those systems are trained on the random noise of the internet. Ours is meticulously trained on a curated library of the world's best sales and negotiation strategies. So it doesn't give you some generic vanilla advice. It gives you sharp, tactical pitches based on the proven methods of masters like Chris Voss. And here's the best part. You are always in the driver's seat. Our proprietary prompt lab lets you tweak and customize the AI's logic, its tone, everything to perfectly match your dealership's unique strategy. That means you can adapt to new market conditions in 5 minutes, not 5 months. It keeps you way ahead of the curve. So, when you put all this together, the intelligence, the automation, the incredible adaptability, what does it actually mean for your business? It means you're not just buying another piece of software for today, you're building a dealership that is truly future-proof.
Echelon streamlines your entire operation from the moment a customer walks in to the moment they sign. By automating all these critical but tedious tasks, you eliminate costly human errors and you shave hours off of every single deal. This frees up your team to do what they're best at, building relationships and selling more units.
Now look, this is not about replacing your people. It's about empowering them. Echelon is a partner. It's like having your best sales manager's brain and oversight built into every single deal, coaching your entire team and helping them all perform at an absolutely elite level.
The most important thing to know is that this isn't just a theory or a promise. Echelon is a real, working, proven system that is ready to deliver a serious advantage to your dealership right now. The next step is simple. See it for yourself. Schedule a live demo with us, and let's show you what the future of your dealership looks like.